Here I am at the Surf and Sand at Laguna Beach, and we've got big waves today. The news said it would be 10 feet, but they're really crashing in. Very few people out there swimming. I know that the sun is bright, but it's worth a look. Oh, look at this. Oh my God, look at these waves. They're fantastic. Crashing in. Wow. Wow, look at down there. Everybody's just standing here watching. Quite a place. There you go if you want to play in the sun but not get sand all over you. Otherwise, oh, here comes another big set. Oh, shoot. Oh, this is great. Beautiful, beautiful.